Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sam and today I've got a fun unboxing for you. I went and picked this up last week and I've wanted one of these for so long. I'm going to show you the bag so you can have a guess what it is. It is from Rimowa and yeah, I've wanted one of these for a very long time. If you've seen my previous videos, I purchased a big one of these quite a while back after I got scammed buying a fake one. I was like, okay, right, I need to rectify this situation, and I went and bought a new suitcase and I bought the bigger one, and then ever since I'm like, oh, I actually really want the small one as well. So I've been going on a few trips recently and I'm going on a few trips throughout the rest of summer, and I thought this would be a good little investment to make. So I was going on a little staycation trip next week and I was like, do I really want to like be throwing all my duffel bag on like this train, that train, this car? So I just thought I'm going to go pick this up, and I went to the London Bond Street store, and yeah, comes in this dust bag here with the logo on, and I was deciding between this one and the other suitcase design they have. They have the classic and they have the original. I have the original in the large one, the twist it one, which has the tan leather handles. This one I thought I'd go a little bit different, and I've gone for the classic, which, oh, there we go, is this, which I'm obsessed with. It's like the perfect size. So here is the beautiful suitcase. Has the Rimowa plate here with all these chrome shiny corners. Has leather handle on the top, which is very comfy. It feels like a lot more expensive than the original design because that's just got plastic handles. It has the luggage tag, which it had initials SB on in silver, obviously. Here we just have the side hinges. And this side we have the locks, which you just go like, no, so you just go like that to release. That really hurt. And you just pop it back like that, and you use it the other direction to hold it down and change the pin number. And here we also have the strap again. What else do I have to show you? I'm not sure if you can see on here, all these little like bolts have little airplane logos, which I thought was a really cute little design. And we have the wheels, which are all black, which I like because the whole thing just has these like black accents. So here is the case, and we just flick these out and it releases the locks. So each side you have quite a lot of space with two dividers with little zip compartments, and you can just release them. Inside you've got this lining with the Rimowa logo, Rimowa made in Germany, and the other side here. So it comes with this little packet here, which inside it has a sticker here, which is cute, and just some of the warranty, which it now comes with a lifetime warranty. So anything that is repairable, they will repair it, I'm pretty sure. And then we've got this handle, which you just pull up, and past this point you can stop it anywhere. So you can make it the perfect height, which is very comfortable for traveling. The handles are just made so well, and they're really comfy when you're picking it up. Another thing I love about this suitcase is the wheels. They just glide around. They're like the most softest, comfiest wheels, if you can describe wheels as that. Yeah. So a few years ago when I accidentally bought a fake one, it was the small one like that, and I could barely fit anything in it. It was winter time and I had like these big jackets, and I thought, oh, when I go buy the real one, I'm gonna get the big one. And so I thought you couldn't really fit much in it, but actually now I've got this. I just went on a whole long weekend away and fit everything in there. Obviously it's summer, so it helps that my clothes are smaller, but you can fit a lot in here. So let's have a look what you can fit inside. So I'm just gonna show you what you could fit in here. So I've got a Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch here, which fits nicely in there. I've got some sweatpants here, which I'm going to just roll up and put there. Here are some Balenciaga trainers, which are pretty big. So yeah, you could definitely fit some shoes in here too. And then the other side, you could just roll up a load of clothes and fit them in there. Obviously, if you didn't have the big shoes in there, you could fit a lot more in. But just to give you an idea of the kind of size, just reconfigured it. This might be a better way of putting them, but you could fit in all your big items in here and then just have all your clothes on the other side. So that's the kind of stuff that would fit in here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and review of this Rimowa classic cabin suitcase, and if you've got any questions, put them down below. And if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SamScottBills. Peace out, guys.